Hello team! Welcome to a new video. Now, this video is going to be a little bit different, and I know I haven't made that many videos, so I don't think any of my videos are that similar, but I have mentioned before that I do stream, and this video is from a stream. I've seen this style of videos before. You live stream what you want, a topic or so, and then you edit it and turn it into a YouTube video. And I watch these types of videos all the time, so I thought it'd be really fun to make one. And what better way to start the new year than with a video from like 6 months ago. Happy New Year from May 2022. So basically, I got this book in Dutch. It is in Dutch, so I didn't read any of it because I'm only a baby Dutch speaker. But it is a how to draw manga book, which if you know, you know. But also, it's how to draw lolitas. Somebody who wasn't a lolita drawing a lolita. Yeah, it's bad. It's bad. So I wanted to put this book to the test. Obviously I wanted to show it off because I thought it was hilarious and like just but also I wanted to see how well the tutorial would like do. Like, would this tutorial teach me how to draw a gothic lolita? And I myself am an amateur artist. I can draw well enough, and I thought it would be a fun idea to try and see if this tutorial could teach me how to draw properly. Spoiler, it didn't. Anyway, yeah, enjoy this video, I guess. Bye.
Okay, so I acquired a book, a disappointing manga book, and it is quite heinous. It is a how-to drawing book. I'll show it to you right now. This is Manga Gothic Lolitas in Dutch, and it is the worst how-to book I've ever seen. And like, you know, if you know how bad manga books can be, I had them as a kid, but Jesus Christ. So the main reason why this book is so heinous and just this person does not know what a lolita is. Like, the front cover is kind of like on the cusp. Like, it's okay. In the J fashion community, you come across lolitas, it happens. Lolitas in the not book related sense. Because F the book, F the movie, should not exist. F that. I will show you the first one. So it's like, this one is called Lilith Alexia. She's a gothic cheerleader. So you're like, okay, yeah. She has pom-poms. That's fine, right? What the heck is that? What? That is not a lolita, that's just a cheerleader! What? In what way? Is that a lolita? What? So also, maybe you guys can help me pick out one to draw. So... Okay, so we are drawing Maffy Maxie. If I I'm gonna put a skirt on her, because I think if I draw her in what looks like lingerie, I will get permabanned immediately. She is a gothic cyberpunk. No idea where the cyberpunk comes into this. But yeah, I'll draw with a skirt, little skirt, but I think I can make it work. Should we do this? Hello. Welcome to my drawing setup. Can I? Oh, I have this shitty ass Wacom tablet, and it's so old. It's 12 years old now. So, okay, it's telling me to draw a wireframe of the body first. It's literally like, draw the outline. Draw the horse. Okay, let's draw this goddamn thing. Okay, so it wants me to draw it like that. And then like this. D. One thing here. One thing here. That is her hip. She's gonna have massive hips. Jesus Christmas. Okay, and then this. Do a little shoulder joints here. This arm comes straight down. Just, it goes slightly off to the side. But it's almost straight down. Slightly pivoted. They haven't given her an elbow joint at all on here. On that side. And then this one's all the way over here. And this leg comes in. Oh my god, an actual like little pose. That leg goes in like that. That's such a janky pose. Why does she look like she's grip walking? It's like she's a zombie or something. What is this? And then this foot goes out like this. Okay, it's even making me do a little model for the bear. Okay, there's the little bear. This is the little frame of this heinous woman we're about to draw. I think I've done her hips way too far up. But I'm gonna go with it. Maybe she's just a little bit stubby. Why are her legs so stumpy? I'm gonna elongate her legs. I'm gonna elongate it. She's looking too stumpy right now, and it's annoying me. Oh my god, the foot on this goddamn thing? Okay, I will draw exactly how he has drawn this foot. So it's this foot down here. He's just drawn it like this. Looking so scared. And what it tells me to do next, it's not gonna make it any better. Literally the eyebrow goes like this. And then her other eyebrow's like really arched as well, but in an odd way. That's a zombie pose. That's what she's a zombie. Oh my god. Probably get rid of this layer. Oh no, she looks worse. She looks so much worse. Okay, please let me do something. Oh, okay, so it goes, draw her body, and then draw her clothing. Just put some clothes on that woman. There are no in-betweens. Her eyebrows aren't even in the final thing. Why did it make me draw eyebrows on her? They're not even there. Oh my Jesus Christ. Oh my god. Oh god. Oh my god. Give her a bottom. Ah yes. A bottom. Oh my god, the zip has a little heart in it. Hey. Tea and Crumpets is pretty goddamn good. Oh god. Oh no. Jesus Christmas. She's cool as frick. Oh my god. Oh my god. How the hell? Jesus. Ah, the anime I'm watching at the moment is a furry anime. Goddamn, drawing the goddamn fishnets. Oh my gosh. Look. Oh, shit. Oh, goddamn it. I do Windows R and it can redirect me to your mom. God damn it, I spent ages making this video. Didn't even read the tweet properly. I think I finished it. It's over. It's finally over. It's not over. There's more to do. I forgot an entire page. Heck to that! Heck to this! I'm not even going to attempt that. I don't even know what it is. It's like he's put some sort of like, it's like a complex design on top, and it's like light and shadows, and then oh, I can't be bothered. Oh, I can't be bothered. I can't do it. I can't do it anymore. I've got to stop. I've been at it for 3 hours. Manga Gothic Lolitas has defeated me. Who would have thought it? That I would struggle with Manga Gothic Lolitas. How to draw Japanese manga girls in the Gothic style.